After use for the day, remove all food pans from the holding cabinet, then leave the doors open and allow time for the unit to cool. As a safety reminder, if the unit is still hot, wear heat-resistant gloves when performing this procedure. Remove and wash the inserts and the concentration ring on the water pan. Then drain the water pan into a shallow pan, and then pour this into a floor drain. Alternatively, the water pan can be drained directly into a floor drain. Remove and clean all racks from the inside of the cabinet. Then wipe down the interior of the cabinet, the inside of the doors, and the door gaskets. And then wipe down the water pan and the float switch within the water pan. Wipe down the exterior of the unit and wipe down the controls. Reassemble the unit with the clean and dry components. De-lime the water pan weekly. This procedure removes lime scale buildup from within the pan. If this procedure is neglected, over time, lime scale buildup will damage the water pan. Fill the water pan halfway with water, then add commercial de-liming agent following the product instructions. Brush the de-liming solution to coat all surfaces, including the float switch in the water pan. After 10 minutes, scrub the water pan with a brush to loosen the built-up lime scale. Discard the water into an approved drain, and then thoroughly rinse the water pan with clean water. Clean grease and dust buildup off of the rear control vent to promote proper humidity venting within the holding cabinet. To do this, remove the vent by loosening the 2 thumb screws. Wash the vent and wipe down the uncovered areas on the cabinet. Use caution when wiping this down to avoid damaging the tab that sticks out for the vent detection switch. Once clean and dry, reinstall the rear vent.